Today we're looking at the Shark Cordless Pro vacuum. I want to do an unboxing to show you a little bit about this vacuum. Let's take everything out and see what's in the box. And I wanted to get a cordless vacuum, and I wanted to just check it out. So here is the actual battery, as you can see here. So that's kind of nice. And it is removable, so if you want to get some extra ones, that's important. So you got that. Let's snap that back in there. Combination crevice tool, as you can see here, and also you push this up and you have a soft bristle brush. This is an anti-allergen brush here, and you can see this does pivot. So this is a nice feature as well. You can see it goes back and forth just like that there. It's got a flex hose there, which is very cool. And it locks in like that. That's interesting. I like that. And it locks like that. So this is called the flex to store. So if you want to store it, I guess you just put it away like that. I like the white. And this is pretty heavy, I have to say. This has got a serious power hit on it. This is a serious power brush. You can see the brush here. So it's got a combination of soft, and it's got this little rubber bristles here, so hopefully you can see that. So this does a combination of wood floors and carpeting, which is really nice to know. I like that. Button. So here's the power button here. Let's turn that on. Okay. So it's running right now. It's got it tells you right now it's cleaning at IQ, which is roughly, let's go to, this is economy mode, and that runs approximately 40 minutes. And here are the headlights. Like I said before, the headlights are on. Just look at it's getting full of dust. You can see that already. That's pretty good. That's actually just a small section I did so far. Just take a dump test. We'll take a look and see how much we have. We're going to hit the button right here, like I said before. Easy to open. Let's just dump this right out. Let's see what we have. So this was a very quick test. You can see here, quite a bit of dirt came off this floor here. You can see a lot of dust, a lot of debris and dirt. You can just see that. So for a small section here, that to me says a lot. It's got a sensor on it, so it's sensing what it has to sense, so it's slowing down, doesn't need as much power, so it knows that it's not carpeting, which I like that. I did empty out the bucket, so as it goes around, it's sensing what it needs to sense. A combination of carpeting. Let's empty that out, and you can see here, within a few minutes, you can see there's dirt, there's dust. It definitely does its job. So far, so good. I'm liking this vacuum quite a bit. As you can see, I'm just using the extra tools that came with it. This is the crevice tool, really easy to use, super simple. You can attach it right to the vacuum, and also the brush. You can see here, lampshades, things like that. Anything you want to dust, draperies, doesn't really matter. And then the anti-allergen thing, same idea, furniture, really super simple. So do I recommend this vacuum? I really do. I think this is a really nice quality build vacuum. I love the Shark products, and I definitely highly recommend this vacuum. Definitely the way to go.